Hello, I'm a member of Studio IT Engineering team, and today I'm going to show you how the PBX Kybon works. To log on to Management Console for the first time, you have to launch your web browser. Then, in the address line, you should enter server address and port separated by a colon. Then you have to enter login and password, and my computer is already saved. In main menu, the following information is displayable: diagrams and payload lines on lost and connected calls and outgoing and internal calls. There is also information displayable on number of online incoming outgoing calls. So if we make a call through our PBX, we shall see how the corresponding value will change. How to manage the system? The equipment tool serves to hook up with PBX different IP equipment such as IP phones, IP gateway, etc. The users tool serves to add subscribers who use Kybon UCC phone. The next tool, groups, shows the PBX tiering teams for differing features distribution. The trunks tool serves to add some groups outside lines such as communication service providers, GSM gateways, etc. with SIP, SIPs, WSS open protocol support. The applications tool serves to add some applications developed in Kybon framework. For example, it could be auto attendant, voice menu, or any other web script services. The timer tool serves to add new tasks on switching on/off some applications and devices aboard Kybon PBX. The routing tool is used to configure the routing of phone calls. Using it, we can choose directions for numbers, select the line for outgoing and incoming calls, etc. The last but not least tool is auto attendant, which is built-in applications for configuring the auto attendant, greetings, playing sound files, call forwarding, email services, etc. How to add a new user? For this purpose, we shall open Users tool and add a new group. In this case, two general-purpose groups have already been added: Users User 1 and User 2. Then we open this group, where we can modify its settings. So for each internal attendant group number, we can enable or disable busy override, call pickup, call monitor, forwarding, and other functions, as it can be seen on the screen. We can modify the outgoing call settings as well. For example, deny paid calls or deny calls to outer numbers, or change the number prefixes if necessary. To add a new user, we shall push Add User button. As you can see, we have already added some users for testing purposes. We push Add User button and new form appears. Firstly, we shall choose the number, the one from PBX list of numbers lined up previously. Then we choose any vacant number available. We enter password, Latin letters or figures, username, it's user's login, characters or figures, it could be any name anyway, and display name, it's the name to be displayed in the user system. It can be written as the internal phone number. Then we push Add button, and we got it! To change some user subscriber settings, we shall mouse over the number and push it. Then the new window will appear where we can see the settings that we have set at login, and we can still modify it. For example, we can set up call transfer, unregistered, when the user isn't currently logged in the PBX system, when he is busy, or when we didn't get any answer from him for some time. The time is to be fixed in seconds. The function tool allows us to install some additional functions for the subscriber: call recording, voicemail, denying call monitoring, busy override, and call pickup. But these settings can be modified by the PBX system admin only.